Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be trying out this Good Vibes Beach Spray. I guess it's like a little perfume making kit that I got at Five Below. So here we go. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to open the box and see what we have inside. What I don't understand is, why is it such a big box for such little supplies? I don't get that. But anyway, here we go. Oh. Didn't even need scissors. Alrighty then, that was easy. Oh gosh. Okay, so this seems actually pretty simple, and there are directions, which is always freaking helpful. So we have a little dropper tool, which I freaking love playing with these. We have the instructions, we have perfume base, we have the actual fragrance, we have 2 empty bottles, stickers, and then glitter. So let's get started. So it says the first step is to select your fragrance and drop about 15 drops directly into your perfume bottle. And then, so first we're going to do that. So we're going to take one of the empty perfume bottles, and this is the only fragrance we get, so let's see what happens. It says about 15 drops. Whoa, that actually smells really, really good. I did about 20 drops in there, and then it says to remove the cap from the perfume base and peel off the foil. Pour the perfume base into the perfume bottle. Pour until it is almost full. This leaves room for you to take your perfume to evenly distribute all of the ingredients. Okay. So first we have to open this. This isn't actually that bad. Like, it smells pretty good. Which surprises me. There we go. I just did that. That was easier. I think I bent the perfume thing a little bit. That's okay. Alright, so we're gonna take it and pour it in. Or maybe I'll use the dropper thingy. I don't know. I just don't know how much of a mess I'm gonna make. Oh, it's okay. It's alright. Didn't make that much of a mess. Oh gosh, just kidding. Just kidding. I didn't spill it. Alright, that's good. Very good. Good progress. Alright, and then after that, add as much glitter as you want. So we're going to take this little glitter packet and get my scissors unstuck and cut it open, and this means there's going to be glitter everywhere. How joyous. Oh, to joy. Alright, and then we're just going to pour the glitter in. And then there are some little beads that I'm also going to put into there. I'm going to put the purple ones in this. All of the purple ones are going to go in here. Come on. Oh boy. Oh boy. They're going to fly everywhere, I bet. Alright, there we go. So I put majority of the glitter into this one, and then I put the purple beads into this one. And then you're supposed to shake it. Alrighty. Now I'm going to test it on my wrist and see what it's like. Ooh, startled me. Smells pretty good. That actually smells really good. I am going to wipe it off though, because I'm going to bed in like 15 minutes. So I'm going to take it off my skin. There we go. That actually smells really good. Alrighty. And then the last thing you're supposed to do is add stickers, which, I don't know, I kind of like just looking at the bottle. So I might just save the stickers because I like the glitter in the bottle. Alrighty, well, I'm going to make the last one, and then it'll be all done. So I'm just going to quickly make this one. I'm going to pour, honestly, probably the rest of this. I don't know how many drops this was. I just added the last of this stuff. Very good. And then, last but not least, the perfume base. Oh wow, there wasn't as much perfume base as there was. So if you are going to create this, just be aware of how much perfume base you put into one of them, because it was not able to fill the rest up. Then I'm going to add the last of the glitter. And the orange beads. Now you could probably put other beads and stuff into here, and if you had other glitter, do that as well. I don't like right off hand, so oh well. This one's definitely going to be stronger than that one, but that's okay. So yeah, not too bad. I guess I'll spray this one on my arm as well, because I did the other one. Yeah, this one's a lot stronger. Because there's the most fragrance in that one and very little perfume base. But again, wipe it off my arm because I'm going to go to bed. So actually, these weren't too bad. They were really cute. I think they'd be an amazing thing to do with kids or something like that. So, not that bad. I give it 2 solid thumbs up. So yeah, very good. I gave it 2 solid thumbs up, and honestly, cleanup is super simple, and I just have glitter all over my pinky now. Oh well. So yeah, I give this kit a solid 2 thumbs up. Very happy with it, and now I have some spray that I can. I don't know what to do with, but that's okay. So that was me testing out the little beach spray kit. It was really cute, honestly, really simple, super easy in my opinion for like younger kids. The box says 6 and up, so perfect for them. Easy cleanup. I have like no mess besides maybe some slight glitters here and there, but honestly, it's not that bad. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!